Franklin Bridge in the distance. Alright, check it out guys. So we just got to the waterfront by the Delaware River, and I'm just gonna show you guys the Benjamin Franklin Bridge in the distance there. You can see it coming into view. So let's bring you guys to the waterfront and see what's up. Check out this shot of the Benjamin Franklin Bridge here, pretty impressive. Got a little skate park down here, which we're supposed to come check out later. And in the distance there you can see another bridge. I'm not sure what bridge that is. And a US warship just over here. And across the river there guys is New Jersey. The Delaware River basically separates New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So we're in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania right now, and the Benjamin Franklin joins Philadelphia with New Jersey. We just arrived at the Rocky Balboa statue here in Philadelphia. This is what it looks like. And it has a quote from Sylvester Stallone here at the bottom. Alright, so we're gonna head over to the stairs here. So this entire building here guys is the Philadelphia Museum of Art. It's quite a lot of stairs to climb to get to the entrance, although it says this entrance is closed.
Yeah.
3 Musketeers coming around.
No, look at them. So insane.
Those guys getting all the girls in 3rd grade.
I know, right? They really are. Trust me, they've been doing a lot of skating to get that, man. Hey. Hey.
2 hours later.
World famous Geno's. So guys, we're at the most popular cheesesteak place in Philadelphia. And then we have Pat's across the road here. Pat's King of Steaks. Their claim to fame is that they discovered the cheesesteak. But then Geno's also says they're the best. So we're gonna try out Geno's, guys, and see what's up out here in Philly. Let's do this.
Fries down there.
Well, you know the one I want already.